16, 2007, we would have done it. But for God's sakes, let's do it afterwards.
One of the challenges that we have is HIPAA, a federal law that the states have to comply with dealing with healthcare information and privacy. One of the things that appalls me is as soon as HIPAA passed, physicians overreacted. I have 4 daughters between the ages of 19 and 29, and when they were teenagers and I take them in for their physicals, our nurse practitioner, who they always saw, would say, "You can leave now, I'm going to have a conversation with them about sexual activity, drug use, etc., etc." And that information was between the two of them, even though they were minors and I was the mom. I think part of our problem is we live in such a litigious society with the trial lawyers running the show that people are afraid to share information because they're afraid that if they do, they'll be sued. My opponent has received tens of thousands of dollars from the trial lawyers, and that's the problem that we have. They have very much undermined, I think, our system because they give so generously, and it's to their advantage that we sue for everything. And we're seeing the cost of that in everything we do, but we saw a real cost in this. We have got to put standards in place, and we have to, unfortunately, work with the federal government. I have the Virginia Tech report, and there's an awful lot of information in there. I know I'll go to my congressman, and I certainly hope that all of you will contact yours as well, to let them know that Congress has also got to address the issue of HIPAA and make it very clear what information can be shared, because states and universities and individual physicians are scared to death to share information for fear that they're going to be sued if they do so. And so this is partly a mental health issue, but it's very much a litigious legal issue as well.